What's up, my fellow skill stackers? Today, I have a funny joke for you. Why did the website designer cross the road? To get to the other site. I want to talk about our website tech stacks that we build within our websites and what you should be building within your website. We'll discuss how using the right technology can make your website mobile responsive, user-friendly, and secure. The technology that you use actually matters. That's why we use WordPress, which is the #1 website platform in the world. WordPress is not just easy to use, but it's also super flexible and very scalable for any kind of website. It doesn't matter if it's e-commerce, a service-based business, a store, doesn't matter. Small websites, big websites, WordPress is the platform for all of them, even for just a blog. In our tech stack, you'll find solutions like Ahrefs, Zapier, Zoho, Google Data Studio, Lead Butler, and tons of other ones that I don't have time to talk about in this video, but these technologies are super important to building a successful website. One of the most important aspects of building a successful website is making sure that it's mobile responsive. That means that your website needs to look great on a mobile device first. Whether it's a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or just a cell phone, we use the latest technology to ensure that your website is mobile responsive first and user-friendly across all your devices. So that leads me to my first question. Is your website currently mobile responsive, but also does it look good on mobile? Because a lot of people have mobile responsive websites, but they don't really look great on mobile devices. So I want to hear from you. Let me know if your website is mobile responsive down in the comments. Another really important aspect of building a website is ensuring that it loads quickly. And when I say quickly, I'm talking like a second or less. Most of our websites load in less than 1 second, even for our sites that have videos in the headers. Slow loading speeds can cause visitors to leave your website. I think the statistic is about 80% of visitors will leave within 4 seconds of your website if it takes that long to load. So if they leave your website, you're losing valuable traffic that you've worked really hard to get there. That's why we're using a call tracking system, visitor tracking, and our system called Lead Butler to optimize our sites properly to make sure that you're able to take your website and have it load instantly. So this is where I want to challenge you in this video. I want you to go to gtmetrics.com, put your website in there and hit enter and tell me how fast it loads down in the comments. I want to know how quickly is your website loading currently, and if you need help getting that fixed, drop a comment, say I need help. The final aspect of building a website is security. With our industry-leading hosting and content delivery network, or CDN, your website will be safe and secure 24/7, 365. Additionally, we're also going to use advanced analytics, like I mentioned before, and visitor tracking. We can see how far they scroll, what they click on, what they don't click on, everything about your website that most of our competitors are not doing because it costs extra money and takes time to analyze all that information. This is going to help you understand how your website is being used and then identify areas of opportunity and areas of improvement. All that information gets imported into Google Data Studio so you can see that information anytime you want. How many clicks, how many visits, how many conversions, we track everything and bring all these data sources back into Google Data Studio, and we automatically send reports to you so you can see exactly what's happening at all times. So now that you understand the importance of using the right technology for your website, I want to invite you to check out our free website training that I just made and just launched called the Ultimate Website Blueprint. And this is a training that is packed with valuable information, and I even developed a PDF checklist that goes along with it. So click the link in the description below to take the first step towards building a website that is mobile responsive, user-friendly, and secure, that has a good tech stack. You need to have a good tech stack, and if you want some of my tech stack, other softwares, maybe I'll make a video just about that. All you got to do is let me know down in the comments, and I'll share every single piece of technology that I use within my websites. So when it comes to building your website, having the right tech stack is a key to its success. We use WordPress, like I said before, it's the #1 platform in the world. We also ensure that your website is mobile responsive, user-friendly across every single kind of device. We're tracking everything. We use a call tracking system called Lead Butler. We optimize our sites properly so they load instantly, and we have an industry-leading content delivery network and hosting platform we use to ensure that your website loads as fast as humanly possible. So don't wait any longer. Check out that free training down below in the link in the descriptions. You can click that and we'll set you up for success and help you get the right mindset with your website. I'm Adrian Boysel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. And as always, keep looking up.